Hi, to turn on and off auto system updates on Samsung Galaxy S25, just go in your phone settings. From here, find Device Care tab, then scroll a bit down and find Software Update. And then simply choose this tab Auto Download. So if you want to turn off auto system updates, then choose this first option Never. If you want to turn it on, then choose one of two options, using Wi-Fi only or using Wi-Fi and mobile data. But using mobile data to download may result in additional charges. So let's pick using Wi-Fi only. And to save changes, just use this back arrow, and here it is. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.